Hi, my kids. Today I will resume our summer course that I started. As we told you before, that the video is consists of two parts. Part I will give you the letters and the words related to letters. Then the next part of the video it will be a story. I would like to say, don't forget to make share, like, subscribe to my channel. This is my channel to send you new videos. Let's go to our lesson today. Last class, we stopped here in this part of our summer course. Here is we have some words and we have pictures refers to these words. Here we have arm. Where is arm here? So this one. So I select this one, arm, this one. Cat, this one. I'm listening to say and this one. Boy, which one is boy? This one. Bee, this one. Apple, this one. Let's go to write the missing letter. As we told you, my kids, you must keep the vocab. Why? Because if we have missing letter, you must keep the vocab to answer this question. Here is it will be here dog. Here it will be cat. The missing letter. C, cake, and ant. Okay, this is the missing letters here. Let's go to another question here. This is the kind of question that we see in your exams. So you must take care when you answer the missing letters. So this depends on what? On keeping the vocab. One, here is, as we told you, we must know the numbers in letters and in numbers. Okay, in both. Okay, here is one. Which one is which letter? How can I write number in letters? This one. So here is one and here is one. Two, here is one and here is one. Three, here is three and here is three. Four, here is four and here is four. Five, here is five and five. So, four, which one is four here? This one. Three, this one. Five, this one. One, this one. Two, this one. Okay. Let's go to another one. I will leave this to do it by yourself as a homework, and I did this. I explained before, so I leave this and this to do it by yourself as a homework. Okay, you must keep the vocabulary and answer it by yourself. Here is what? Here is ant. Here is ant. Some of you saying Miss Iman ant. So you are concentrate with me and you study with me what we told last videos. Here is boy. Some of you think Miss Manu are in vacation, in summer vacation. Yes, I'm listening. So no, I know you are in summer vacation. But if you take a part of day to keep the vocab, it's not effort. It's not effort, or it's not effort, or you can't play. The day is 24 hours. If you take half an hour or 5 minutes to keep the vocab, it's not a problem. Okay, so we must give your study or your vocab or your studying the vocab a part of your day. It's not a problem. Okay, the rest of the day is for you. Okay, I think so. It's not a problem to do so. Okay, there is ant, boy, car. Why I would like to keep this vocab? To keep this vocab because when you go to the academic year, you make your mind, okay? Because it's 2 months or 2 months and a half, I think so, or 3 months is the long period for keeping for forgetting what we learned. Okay, so we must every day we must revise what we took in the academic year, because it's important to the next year. Okay, we must keep we must revise what we take. Okay, here is ant, here is boy, here is car, here is dog, here is cat. Let's continue the rest of the exercise. Letter M. Letter M by this one. Letter S, this one by this one. T, this one by this one. B, this one by this one. B like what? B here, don't say light B or B or heavy B. B and P. B here like pin. We say B like pin, and B for book. Okay, this is the difference between B and B. Okay, we say pin, we say book. This is the different in pronunciation. Okay, must take care. Don't say light B and heavy B as we told, as we know, as we is familiar with us. We say B like pin and B like or ball. Okay, this is the difference between B and B. Okay. Here is letter B and letter B. K, which one is K? I'm listening. You say, Ms. Iman, this one. So this one by this one. D, which one is D? This one by this one. W, this one by this one. This one by this one. Z, this one by this one. Let's continue the rest of the exercise. Here is we have. We can count and correct and write the correct select the correct number. I will count it and then answer and then select the correct number. The correct number. 1, 2, 3. Which one is this one? 1. Here is how many aeroplanes here? It would be 1. So I select this one. So here is 2. Here is 1, 2, 3, 4. It would be here 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. It would be here 4. 1, 2, 3. It would be here 3 in the middle. Let's go to another one here. What is this? This is boy. So the boy started with which letter? Letter B. Cake with letter C. Apple. Here is apple. Here is apple. Here have a mistake here. It will be A, not. It will be here. Here is. I think this is A, not G. Okay. So I select A. Here is A, F, and V because apple started with A. Here is arm. Okay. Here is the numbers. I think we know the numbers. I write it to you. I will leave this to do it by yourself as a homework. Let's do this together. Here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Let's continue the rest of the exercise. I will leave this to do it by yourself. And I have the same exercise before, so I will leave this to do it by yourself. Here is doll. Which one is doll here? This one in the middle. Cake, the last one. Car, the last one. Kate in the middle. Dog in the first picture. Donkey in the middle. Okay. Here is the missing letters. I will do it together with you. Here is cat. Here is boy. So you can say, Miss Iman, how can I answer this question? I answer this question by keeping the vocab. You must keep the vocab and answer this question. It's easy to answer it. Okay, so here is car, here is dog. Okay, let's continue the rest of the exercise. Because I would like to go to the story today. Okay, I will leave this one to do it by yourself. Okay, the two questions here, I will leave it to you to do it by yourself. I answered the same before. Here is fish. Which one is fish? This one. Hen in the middle. Boy. This one. Okay. The question number 2 and question number 3, it will be homework. I will leave it to do it by yourself as a homework. Let's go to our story today. Our story today is about, let's know it together, the fox and the crow. Let's read the story together and know what is the fox and what is the crow doing for each other. Fox was always hungry. One day, so the crow was what? With some cheese. Okay, so the fox saw the crow with some cheese. I want this cheese. Then the fox tell the crow that the fox want this cheese. He grinned at crow. You are pretty. So he wants something from the crow. So he is saying for the crow, you are pretty, to give the fox what? To give the fox the cheese. I am. Can you sing to? He asked. The fox want the cheese. So tell the crow to sing fall the. So when we sing, the cheese fall and the fox eat this cheese from the crow. Crow nodded. Nodded means nodded like this. Okay. She opened his beak. She opened her beak. Down fell the cheese. Fox snapped it up. That was mine, cried crow. That was mine, cried crow. Fox laughed. Don't always believe people who say nice things he said. So here we must know that some people lying for you to have something. Okay, so the fox telling some beautiful words to the crew to have what? To have a benefit from the crew. Okay, some people doing these things to have benefits from others. Okay, sometimes they just want something from. Okay, by this story we end from our video today. Thanks a lot. Until we meet again. Goodbye.